You are destroying your photos if you are using presets. Presets are pre-made adjustments done to your settings in Lightroom. This is a great solution if you are shooting in a studio, similar lighting situation outside, or trying to go for a certain look. But even if you're the greatest photographer ever, get the greatest presets that you can buy on the internet today, and you slap one of those presets on, it does not guarantee that your photos are going to turn out anywhere near good. Let me explain. Back in 2017, I was fresh out of high school pursuing my photography full time. And one of my favorite YouTubers that I looked up to was Peter McKinnon. So I emulated and copied everything that he did. So when he releases presets, it was a no-brainer, and I bought those presets right away. I imported them into Lightroom and started putting them onto my photos, and I was majorly disappointed. Basically, every preset I was using on my photos, they just weren't living up to how I thought presets were supposed to work. And that day, I learned 2 lessons. Every photographer has their own unique style, and every shot is uniquely different. So it would be absolutely silly for me to believe that just slapping on a preset like it was a filter would turn my photo into a Peter McKinnon masterpiece. And if you're a beginner, you completely miss out on the skill of learning how to edit, how to make those corrections through adjustments and your color. This is a very overlooked part of photography. People are so fixated on location, gear, subject, and then when they get to editing, they want the quickest fix possible, so they buy presets of their favorite creators, slap it on, treat it like a filter, and they hit publish. Which brings us to the second lesson, that I was using presets as an Instagram filter, and you need to stop using presets this way. Don't get me wrong, presets are extremely valuable to a creative's toolkit. However, you just need to change your perspective on the presets that you want to buy or create. Take my film emulation presets, for example. When I apply this preset to this photo, it looks absolutely terrible. But when I apply it to this photo and make a few adjustments, it looks absolutely fantastic. So stop using your presets like they're a filter and start using them as tools and building blocks to get the desired look that you want for your photo.